Welcome to Auto Apex, your one-stop destination for everything auto-related. Today, we have a detailed look at the 2025 Pulsar motorcycle, which is setting the stage for a new chapter in the legacy of this iconic bike. The Pulsar has long been associated with performance, style, and reliability, and the 2025 model takes all of those qualities and elevates them with cutting-edge technology, design upgrades, and performance enhancements. So, whether you're a longtime Pulsar fan or someone considering their first bike, you're in for an exciting ride. Let's break down everything you need to know about the 2025 Pulsar. To start, let's talk about the brand itself. Bajaj, the manufacturer of the Pulsar series, has been one of the pioneers in India's motorcycle market. The Pulsar was launched in 2001, and over the years, it has evolved from a basic commuter bike to a performance powerhouse that rivals some of the best in the segment. With the 2025 version, Bajaj seems to have taken a step forward, focusing not only on improving the existing features but also on introducing new ones that will make the Pulsar stand out even more. When it comes to design, the 2025 Pulsar introduces a more aggressive, sportier look, which is a far cry from its predecessor's more traditional design. The front fascia is completely redesigned with sharper lines and a more angular approach, giving it a modern and dynamic appearance. The headlamp is one of the standout features of this bike, featuring a sleek LED design that enhances both aesthetics and visibility, ensuring that the bike stands out on the road. The overall stance of the 2025 Pulsar has been refined to give it a more muscular and premium look, making it a head-turner in the streets. The body panels are sleeker, and the rear section has been revamped for a more sporty feel. Bajaj has also paid attention to the overall weight distribution, making the bike feel more balanced and nimble, even at higher speeds. The new 2025 Pulsar is available in a variety of color options, each of which enhances the bike's aggressive, modern look. From deep matte shades to vibrant hues, there's a color for every rider who wants to make a statement on the road. One of the major updates in the 2025 Pulsar is the engine. Bajaj has made significant strides in improving the engine performance, and the 2025 Pulsar is no exception. The new model is equipped with a more powerful, refined engine that delivers an exhilarating riding experience. The 2025 Pulsar will likely come with a 250cc to 300cc engine, offering the perfect balance of performance and fuel efficiency. This engine is engineered to provide better torque and power delivery across a wide range of speeds, making it a versatile motorcycle suitable for both city commutes and long highway rides. Bajaj has also upgraded the engine's cooling system, ensuring better heat dissipation for improved performance during long rides. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, allowing riders to shift gears smoothly and efficiently, whether they are cruising through city traffic or pushing the bike to its limits on the open highway. The performance improvements don't stop with the engine. Bajaj has also fine-tuned the suspension system to ensure better handling and stability, especially at high speeds. Another significant upgrade in the 2025 Pulsar is its electronic systems. The bike comes with advanced features such as a fully digital instrument cluster, which provides all the necessary information in a clean, easy-to-read format. This display is not only informative but also adds a modern touch to the bike's overall appeal. Riders can access information like speed, fuel efficiency, trip meters, gear position, and more, all with a glance. The Pulsar 2025 also gets ride modes and advanced riding aids like traction control and anti-lock braking system, ABS, making it not only safer but also more adaptable to various riding conditions. Whether you're on a wet road or tackling a tricky curve, these features help maintain stability and control, providing a more confident riding experience. Now, let's talk about the ride quality itself. Bajaj has taken great care to improve the ergonomics and comfort of the 2025 Pulsar, making it a bike that's enjoyable to ride on both short and long distances. The seat is more comfortable, with better cushioning that reduces rider fatigue on longer trips. The handlebars have been adjusted to give the rider a more comfortable and natural position, making the bike feel less strenuous during long rides. The foot peg position has also been altered for better comfort, ensuring that riders can find an optimal riding posture. As for the suspension system, Bajaj has paired the 2025 Pulsar with telescopic front forks and a twin-shock rear suspension. This setup ensures that the bike can handle bumps, potholes, and rough roads with ease, providing a smooth and stable ride. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or cruising on highways, the suspension system adapts to the road conditions, giving you a comfortable ride throughout. When it comes to braking, the 2025 Pulsar is equipped with a powerful disc brake setup at both the front and rear, combined with the ABS system. This ensures that the bike has strong and reliable stopping power in all conditions, allowing riders to feel secure and confident when braking, even in emergency situations. Speaking of security, Bajaj has also made sure that the 2025 Pulsar is equipped with the latest security features, including a smart keyless entry system. This makes starting the bike and accessing the ignition much easier, as you won't have to worry about losing your keys or fiddling around to unlock the bike. It's a simple, efficient system that adds a layer of convenience to the bike's ownership experience. In terms of fuel efficiency, Bajaj has worked to ensure that the 2025 Pulsar remains as fuel efficient as its predecessors, despite the increased engine performance. With the new engine setup and aerodynamic design, the bike manages to balance power and efficiency, providing a respectable mileage figure for both city and highway riding. You won't have to worry about frequent fuel stops during your daily commute or longer trips. In addition to performance and design, the 2025 Pulsar brings a host of connectivity features that modern bikers will love. The bike is expected to be compatible with a smartphone app that allows you to track your ride data, including distance covered, average speed, and more. It also comes with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect your phone to the bike's system for hands-free communication, music streaming, and navigation assistance. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Pulsar is expected to be priced competitively within a 250cc to 300cc segment. Bajaj has always offered great value for money, and with the 2025 model, it's clear that they want to keep that tradition alive. While the exact price will vary depending on the region and the variant, expect it to be an attractive option for anyone looking for a feature-packed, performance-oriented motorcycle without breaking the bank. So, what does this all mean for the future of the Pulsar? With the 2025 model, Bajaj is not only setting the bar higher for itself but also challenging its competitors in the market. The bike strikes the right balance between modern design, cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and everyday usability. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for thrills or someone seeking a reliable daily commuter, the 2025 Pulsar is shaping up to be a fantastic choice. To wrap things up, the 2025 Pulsar brings an exciting range of updates and improvements that make it one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the year. From its aggressive new design to its powerful engine, advanced electronics, and improved ride quality, the Pulsar has certainly evolved into a more refined, versatile machine. Bajaj has listened to the needs of its riders and crafted a bike that delivers in terms of both performance and comfort. If you're in the market for a new motorcycle in 2025, the Pulsar is certainly worth a close look. Thanks for tuning into Auto Apex. Stay subscribed for more updates and in-depth reviews on the latest motorcycles, cars, and all things auto. Let us know what you think of the 2025 Pulsar in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, ride safe and keep your passion for bikes alive.